Hello guys, so this morning we're here to Washington this back. We're gonna stay in it after. Got a sun in this wood right here. Yeah. But yeah. Let's go on, we carry down me now. So yes guys, you know we go to work already. Unlike this look really nice when it's finished, so stick around for this one. Me and Shamar up on the work again. You will see what I want to post this guys. I know. How you do that? How you do? This is what I look like so far guys. By the skin to skin it also. And this is the side that's not washed yet, and this is the side Let's get a wood power wash or so. Now we'll get to work already, you know guys. Get work done. I have to rub down this little spot right here. This is smooth back. Sand it down. Okay. Yeah, that's what it looks like so far guys. Down here, so I wash off this part of the interlocking guys, make it look nice. We'll go to work. So we did upstairs and then we bleached the step. So I don't know how it's gonna turn up, but we're waiting to see how it's gonna look overall after bleaching. Yeah, wash it and just wait on the end product now guys. So anything go, pick on boys once people come to work. So guys, you know it was when it just started. This is how it look now. Not bad, eh? So you don't know. Gotta go and beat, you know guys. We are breathe. Yeah, we make everybody see. Yes guys, this is so we are doing so far right now. You clean up, sure upstairs already. That's interlocking here. Shamar excessive. We can't get to stain interlocking today because it's still white, so we're gonna wait for Monday. But you guys will see the next part that we did today when it's Monday. Okay, now. Yeah, clean the interlocking and then Monday we'll come out, we'll give the next wash and stuff guys, so you don't know. Shemaya, big him up now.
Up top.
Oh, you want that? Okay. That come on guys, this is how it looks so far, you know? Yeah man, that come on man, go and do it. So we are go upstairs and now go see the stairs I look. Knowing I will dry so quick guys, but see that come on if it's bleach properly. So I look guys, want the sun to catch on the sun. The trees like black in the sun, so like maybe like midday the sun will get over this side and really get down. yeah guys, come for another work, match for another work. Monday again another work, another video for you guys as always. So don't go to work, you know guys. Get things done. So that way they are days, man. Yes guys, this is what it look like, I know. Monday we come and finish, we seal up and need a next quick wash and then that's it. Let's show you upstairs there guys. You don't know, Monday again. Before we can paint and stain upstairs, we are waiting to see the end result of what we did today. So as you know, as always, like, share, subscribe guys. You don't know, Picker and Boys Landscaping, how we do it. Always one love.